How to pin a message in WhatsApp group. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin a message in a WhatsApp group chat in just a few simple steps. So first, open the WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the group chat where you want to pin the message. Scroll through the chat or use the search bar to find the message that you want to pin. Once you have found it, long press on the message. At the top, tap the three dots menu and select Pin Message. The message will now stay at the top of the chat, visible to everyone. And that's it. You have successfully pinned a message in your WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.